Okay, so here you can see TransUnion was 573, 635, and 558. This was August of 2008. And I'm showing you here this little area so you can kind of see that. Make sure you can see that it's the same person. And then the results are, this is after 90 days, 649, 648, and 639. I'm not quite sure why this report doesn't have the date on it like this one does. Well, actually, I do have an idea of how I saved it. But let's see here. I'm going to pause the video so I can show you a little bit more information here. Okay, so here we are. I'm back with this section. This is kind of like the summary section, just to kind of see what we were able to remove in that 90 days. And again, there's a lot of variables, a lot of factors as to why things take longer than other times, and sometimes it just makes no doggone sense at all. You're trying to figure out why something's not working when it worked before, and then that's where the tweaking, that's where the experience comes in. And we can keep working on it. So here you can see, well, first of all, that person actually reduced their debt from then to now. You can see that here, but I'm not really making a point to really see that. I want you to take a look at the derogatory and collections here. So the derogatory collections are at 0 now completely, and it was at 312. And these results may not be the same for you. I mean, everyone is different. Everybody's situation is different, and it just depends. So these credit scores that you saw earlier, they were Vantage Score 3.0. That's what that is what IDIQ uses to give you your credit scores. So just keep that in mind, that every score that you see may not be the score in another platform. So they all use different models or different algorithms to create your credit score. So the scores that you see here may be different on Credit Karma, may be different for FICO, and so on and so forth. Okay, so here I wanted to just show you that indeed this report is 12/29/18. And the one before it was for 8/7/2018, just so that you know that I'm not fudging any information here. It is what it is.